Here we are, so pwede na po pagkita. Now I can read. But of course, I'm taking this opportunity to really thank all of you because the last 6 years have been wonderful, graceful years, and it was a journey that I'm always grateful to the Lord. You know, many people have thanked me, but more so and more importantly, I have to thank the Lord and thank all the parishioners, the active servants, all those going and attending Mass in our parish. So I am really very, very grateful. So of course, the next week I will be going back to Manila and will be based there and happily and welcome Father Lloyd, our new parish priest. Perhaps that is my last act as parish priest to insult these two boys, and I told them, depende, we have to trust and obey Father Lloyd. We may not train you, but we have to, of course, trust the parish priest. Nonetheless, my brothers and sisters, I am so grateful to all of you, all the choir, and I see the servers, the ministers, altar servers, the lectors, all the community. I've been thanking every Mass. So last Sunday, the 9 and 10:30 Masses. Now, it's my turn to thank the 6 and of course this 7:30 a.m. Mass goers. So, indeed, you know, I hope and pray because what brings us together is always the Mass. You may have encountered me in other places, but you know me why? Because I have the privilege of presiding the Mass. That's why the Mass is our greatest treasure, the highest form of prayer, the greatest thing we can do while here on earth, to attend the Mass. That's really my hope and my prayer for you, that you keep persevere in attending Sunday Mass. Whatever happens, come to Mass. That's always the best decision you can do on that Sunday. Whatever happens, whatever your intentions or your motivations, you feel bored, you feel excited to go to Mass, nonetheless, go to Mass. That is the best thing you can do on a Sunday. And that will sustain you on your Catholic faith. That is my hope, my prayer, all of you. I will not cry, because I did not cry and all my goodbye. So, it's not goodbye. I will see you again. That's not just from optimism. Optimism is proven up. Father Gary said. Kini si Father Clarence, we will see him because sa Tagalog sabi Father Clarence, Father Gary, bigla na lang ito susulpot. I don't know what he meant. He said, all of a sudden I will appear. So, we will see each other again, not just based on optimism, but really based on hope. On hope because we all hope in the Lord. And when we put our trust in His promise, surely we are one. So may God bless you.